Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to activate Hey Gemini. First, open your Google Assistant settings. You can usually find this by saying, "Hey Google, open Assistant settings," or by navigating through your phone's settings menu. Once there, look for the section that manages your digital assistants. This is where you'll select Gemini to be your main assistant, ensuring it responds to your voice commands. Before activation, it's important to check your device's compatibility. Gemini works best on Android devices running version 10 or newer. You'll also want to ensure your device has at least 4 GB of RAM for a smooth experience. Finally, make sure your Google app is fully updated, as this provides the necessary framework for Gemini to function correctly on your phone. Next, let's set up voice match, which is crucial for Gemini to recognize your voice. Within the Gemini settings, you'll find the voice match option. Follow the prompts to train Gemini to understand your unique vocal patterns. This personalized setup ensures that only your voice can activate the assistant, enhancing both convenience and security when you say "Hey Gemini." If you encounter any issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. A simple device restart can often resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try clearing the cache for the Google app through your phone's application settings. Should Gemini become deactivated, simply revisit the Google Assistant settings and re-enable it as your primary assistant. These steps usually fix most common activation problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.